What a mess. It's getting dark and it's just a mess. You have to follow on to see what is going to happen in this film. So we've got a camp here at this top campground. You have to get a code and everything to get in. So hopefully we're alright here. What a mission getting everything set up. But we're nearly there. It's dark. Still got to eat yet, but we're getting there. Oh, I tell you what, this is some scary hell stuff. Cheers, thanks for coming along and continuing. And it's been a great ride so far. And even though you're getting in the dark and don't get set up till a bit late and there's a bit of pressure on there, hey, it's never that bad, eh? So cheers to you. You're awesome. Where's you? There you go. Cheers. We're trying to cook some sausages. We're having peas again. Dinner is finally cooked. Might not look overly appetizing, but I reckon it does actually. They're Angus beef sausages, beautiful, delicious green peas. Well, this is my last night in the North Island for this trip. Not sure when I'll be back in the North Island. This dock camping ground is awesome. Got to get a code to get through the gate. Arriving after dark is difficult. Thankfully, reception was had with the mobile network to be able to book and to get the code and get into the place. You can book rooms, they're a bit dearer by the sounds of it, and flush toilets and shower. Hot water, even better. I was pleased I didn't succumb to go to a camping ground or go to get a cabin or motel or something somewhere, because this is what it's all about, experiencing stuff and the drama of ending up on the wrong side of this river for some reason. I don't know why. As a help in trying to find places and look for places and see places that fit. My initial plan was to head south but further, but the problem was timing. I probably took too long mucking around sightseeing. Not that I feel like I did a lot, but just got behind. Tomorrow I've got a minimum of 2 hours to get to the ferry, 2.5 hours I think. I may look at going a different direction just to take in the Rimutaka Hill. I know that is quite a ride. Will it be better than what I've ridden today? That's a tough ask. I don't know if it could, because those roads up there were just outrageously spectacular, incredible. I need to get some shut-eye because I've been on the road for a fairly long time today. Nearly raked up 1600 k's so far on this trip. Still a wee way to go. It's all good fun, eh? So yeah, I'm pleased I made the choice of coming up and adding a couple of days. Otherwise it just would have been zip home. So yeah, cheers, good night. It's daylight. Not a bad place actually. They've got buildings out here and stuff. That has all you need. Everything's all locked with combination padlocks. It has showers and hot water and lights and. So today I think I'm going to head over towards the Rimutakas and head over there. Just take a little bit longer because my ferry crossing or last check-in isn't until a little bit later on. Enjoy some last final riding in the northern island of New Zealand. Eh? You can camp down here as well. Cliffs. Oh gee. Oh, ain't that pretty cool. Some hot chocolate this morning again. Breakfast time as the sun slowly begins to rise. Just come across, I was just doing a quick look around the bike. Why I hadn't seen this movement before. What the hell is a Gardena hose fitting doing in there? It really is good to be finally packed up, and everything's pretty much dry apart from the ground sheet, so that's all good. I'm not going to wait around and wait for that dry. I just want to get riding. I've got to be back in at the ferry terminal, say 2:30, 2 o'clock in Wellington, and it's about 8 something or other. What is the time? 8:41. Just like that, it starts to rain. We'll see how bad it's going to be before we decide about the wet weather gear. It had to rain once, didn't it? interesting experience. I didn't mind it. I mean, at the end of the day, I got to where I needed to be and we continue on. I was so lucky. The rain has now stopped and we're just going to carry on towards the Wellington where I need to be to catch this mighty fine big ship of a boat that many people don't think it's going to run on time half the time. This hill, which is obviously used to generate some electricity. There must be a fair bit of breeze that goes on. It was a little bit breezy on and over the hill today, but it's no real problem. It was coming behind me, so no big drama. Down the other side, time to travel through some little towns heading south. Our destination for today, of course, is, as I said, Wellington, up over the Rimutaka Hill. There's always so much roadworks going on, and I sat behind this here for a few minutes and I thought to myself, I cannot do this. They look like they're going forever as they're dropping their cones on down the road. The works haven't started, so zip up the inside and let's just get it gone.
One of the advantages to be on a motorcycle, right? Oh, well, we'll hit the 100k just now, so let's go.
Wasn't a bad ride through there. I mean, it's very highway-ish and a bit blah blah, but kind of enjoyed it in a way, just ticking along.
Now we're heading to, what is it, about 1.5 hours away from here.
There are some quaint wee towns and with some awesome architecture through these areas. Finally made it to the Rimutaka Hill. It's been a long time since I've been over here and I'm looking forward to revisiting this little section of road. Now, in my
opinion, I think this road would be absolutely fabulous if there wasn't traffic on it. How do you avoid that? I guess you would get up early in the morning or go late at night and avoid all that traffic and have a nice drive through. If I was going to make a choice between where I have been and this road, I'd probably choose the Forgotten Highway. Hey, look, it's not as pristine as far as road goes. Looks like there's been a bit of a storm going on around this place though. There's a bit of roadworks and all that sort of stuff going on, but at the same time, I think the Forgotten Highway's got a little bit more to offer. Other side of the Rimutakas, heading down through towards Wellington, and it was really good. Okay. Well, on this side I thought I might as well see if I can pop in, fill in a little bit of time, pop in and see the local Wellington motor Guzzi dealer. This is a little store, big passion, and well worth the visit, and these guys really know their stuff. Well, I've got to say, this place is a good place to come to and check out the Guzzis. The old mate Guzzi lined up along the front here, a few.
To the boat now, so looking like a beautiful day to sail.
I've been so incredibly lucky with the weather. Like, look at this out here. This is just crystal clear, beautiful blue. I mean, it's not actually beautiful here, but look out that way though, it's beautiful. The motorcycle that I have been sailing on for this entire journey is right here. Looking awesome. It has been awesome. Sad to be leaving, but be pleased to get home.
Finally on the ferry ship. It's a late night sailing, heading back towards Picton. Tonight I've got myself a cabin at the local camping ground in Picton, so that will then see me right until tomorrow, which I'm really looking forward to the final leg home to get back towards Christchurch. But until then, it's time to have some fish and chips and enjoy the sailing.